Hello class, now I'm going to introduce to you the vocabulary of this unit. We have 9 words to cover, so this is the first word. Solidify. Solidify. We notice that the stress falls in the second syllable. Solidify. This is a verb, which means to change from being a liquid or gas to a solid form, or to make something to do this. We can see in the picture, the man is solidifying some water. Or, more familiar to you, when you put some water in the freezer, the water turns into ice. We can say, we solidify the water. Glow. Glow. This is a verb which means to produce a continuous light and sometimes heat. I think the photo here can demonstrate the word glow. You can see it is glowing beautifully. Burn something down. Burn something down. This is a phrasal verb which means to destroy something, especially a building by fire or to be destroyed by fire. For example, when we see this photo, we can either say somebody has burned the house down, or we can say the house is burning down. Gigantic. Gigantic. This is an adjective, means extremely large. Like a rhino in this photo, it is gigantic. Intense. Intense is an adjective using to describe extreme or forceful or very strong feeling. The woman here, she's feeling intense. Scientific. Scientific. The stress falls in the third syllable. This word means relating to science or using organized methods of science. For example, we can say, thanks to scientific advance, more people can live longer and healthier. High-pitched. High-pitched. This adjective used to describe a noise that is high or sometimes also loud or unpleasant. For example, when women get angry, they may scream and they sound "Ah!" That's how high-pitched is. It is high, sometimes loud, and always unpleasant to our ears. Diarrhea. Diarrhea. This is a noun, a name of an illness. When you have this illness, the solid waste from your body is more liquid than usual and it comes out of the body more often. I think the picture here can demonstrate what I mean well. The boy is having a diarrhea, so he's running quickly to the toilet. This is the last word, preoccupation. Preoccupation. The stress falls in the fourth syllable. This phenomenon means when an idea or a subject keeps sticking to your mind and you keep thinking about it, it means that's your preoccupation. In the photo here, the man, even though he's given speech to many people, but he still has his own preoccupation about his image. So, we can say, this man's preoccupation is his image. So, I've just finished with the words that we need to learn. Now these are some tips for you to learn the new words easily. The first tip I can provide to you is that you can write the words in a notebook with the translations or definitions, or you can try it on flashcards. Second tip, put the words into different groups. For example, with the word diarrhea, you can put it in the group of names of diseases that you know, or gigantic, you can put it in the group of words which mean big, very big. Make associations in pictures or with other words, which means like most of the slides that I've showed you, I use pictures to demonstrate them. So you can stick the word with one picture that you like, or maybe put it in a sentence. And these are the two final tips. Say the words many times using dictionary for sure. With this, you can also practice your pronunciation. But then try to say it to yourself, or else people may think that you have some problem, and you might. That's just a joke. And the last tip, use the words in your own speaking or writing. Yes, of course, you can only use the word you learned if you put it in practice. So try to use the words, try to apply it into more production, especially speaking and writing. That's all for today. Let's come to practice time. You can come back to the page for more practice exercises. Thank you for watching, and hope that you can finish learning these words quickly and use them effectively in the future. See you in the next lesson.